We conducted our HPI project on communication at Morgan County Middle School. The performance problem was that teachers and staff at Morgan County Middle School had a hard time communicating effectively amongst peers. The inconsistency in communication made it difficult for staff members at the school to be on one accord throughout content areas, grade levels, and just throughout the school building as a whole, which caused the faculty and students to suffer. For our data collection, we used surveys and conducted interviews and focus groups with the faculty and administrative staff. Our survey asked teachers and staff members to rate how effective their communication was, the communication amongst other staff members at Morgan County Middle School, and the admin team, and their thoughts on the importance of communication as a whole. The interview and focus groups with the admin staff was to determine the expectations and desired level of performance. Our findings were that 28% of teachers and staff felt that they communicated effectively with others. 85% was the desired performance of teachers and staff to feel as though they communicated effectively with others. And we found out that we had a performance gap of 57%, that more of teachers and staff that felt that they needed to communicate effectively. Possible causes was lack of clear guidelines and expectations for desired performance level, and also a lack of individual motivation by the faculty and staff to actively communicate in certain situations. Interventions and solutions were the fact that we wanted to use coaching to provide teachers and staff on-site guidance and training. Coaches will be responsible for providing necessary skills and knowledge to the staff at Morgan County Middle School. It would also help in mending the gap between the desired performance and the actual performance. The rationale for the intervention was that 50% of faculty and staff at Morgan County Middle School need to feel as though effective communication is being performed. By providing mentoring and coaching to the staff, the performance level will increase and meet the desired expectations. Thanks for watching.